Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're diving into the world of online dating in 2025, you might have encountered a swipe mishap on Bumble. Today, we're tackling how to backtrack on Bumble, so you can undo that accidental left swipe and give someone a second chance. It's a game changer for anyone who's ever second-guessed their decisions on the app. First things first, backtracking is Bumble's feature that lets you reverse your last swipe, whether it was a left for no or a right for yes. This is especially useful in the 2025 update, which has made the process even smoother. But remember, it's all about quick corrections to keep your dating journey stress-free. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of Bumble downloaded on your phone. Open the app and log into your account. Once you're on the main swipe screen, look for the Backtrack button. It's that circular arrow icon, usually at the bottom of the screen near your profile picture. Tap it once, and voila! Your last swipe is undone instantly. That's it for the basic step, but here's a pro tip. In 2025, backtracking is free for your most recent action, but if you want to go back multiple swipes, you might need to upgrade to Bumble Premium. It's worth checking the app settings for any limits based on your subscription level. One more thing. Use this feature wisely to avoid overthinking your choices. Dating is about genuine connections, after all. If you're new to Bumble or want more tips, stick around for my upcoming videos on app etiquette. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more dating hacks, and drop a comment below with your experiences. See you next time. Happy swiping.